In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a Kit pop-up form to Shopify. We are going to set up a pop-up form using your Kit, then embed it into your Shopify theme so it appears on your storefront. As you follow along, take your time and make sure you are on the correct menus. If anything looks different from your screen, it usually means your Shopify theme or dashboard layout is slightly different, but the overall flow should be the same. First, click Audience Growth. This section is where you will find tools related to forms and capturing visitors' information. Once you open it, you are essentially moving toward the area that helps you grow your audience using pop-ups and landing pages. Next, click Landing Pages and Forms. This is the part of the dashboard where pop-up forms are organized. You are going to locate the specific pop-up form you already created in Kit. Now open your pop-up form. Look for the form you want to use, and click it so its details are visible. Opening the correct form is important because the embed code you copy will match that form exactly. After that, click Embed. This option will show the embedding settings for the form, which is what you need to place the form on your Shopify website. Spend a moment here to confirm that you are viewing the embed instructions for the same pop-up form you opened earlier. Next, click JavaScript. This is the format that Shopify will work with best for inserting the form code into your theme. When you select JavaScript, you should see a code snippet appear in a box. Then click Copy. This copies the JavaScript embed code to your clipboard. Do not close the embed window yet because you want to paste the exact code into Shopify in the next step. Now you are ready to switch over to Shopify. In Shopify, open Online Store. Online Store is where you manage the look and behavior of your storefront. You will be using your theme settings to insert the pop-up form code. Next, click Edit Theme. This opens the theme editor so you can add a section to your theme without changing everything at once. You should see your theme and options related to customizing it. Now click Add Section. This tells Shopify you want to insert new content into the theme. Pay attention to where the section appears, because the goal is to add a spot where the custom code can run. Then click Custom Liquid. This is the option that allows you to paste custom HTML or embed code safely inside your theme. It is the correct place to insert the JavaScript snippet you copied earlier. After that, paste the Kit code. Make sure you paste it into the custom liquid text area exactly as it appears in your clipboard. If you copied JavaScript code, you want to keep the full snippet intact, including any characters, spacing, or line breaks. Avoid removing anything, because even small changes can cause the form not to display. Finally, click Save. Saving confirms the changes and makes sure the new code is applied to your theme. After you save, give it a moment and then you can refresh your storefront to verify that the pop-up form appears as expected. To recap the flow, you pulled the embed code from your Kit pop-up form, then inserted that code into your Shopify theme using a custom liquid section. That is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know.